Here's some vacuum tube trivia. Subscribe. Which vacuum tube type serves in rectification? Is it A, mercury vapor, B, phototube, C, triode, or D, diode? The correct answer is diode. What replaced vacuum tubes in modern electronics? Is it A, capacitors, B, resistors, C, diodes, or D, transistors? The correct answer is D, transistors. Who developed the first practical vacuum tube? Is it A, John Ambrose Fleming, B, Nikola Tesla, C, Thomas Edison, or D, Alexander Graham Bell? The correct answer is A, John Ambrose Fleming. Which phenomenon in vacuum tubes allows signal generation? Is it A, photoelectric effect, B, quantum tunneling, C, thermionic emission, or D, ionization process? The correct answer is C, thermionic emission. Which electronic device uses vacuum tubes for sound? Is it A, guitar amplifier, B, synthesizer, C, digital mixer, or D, Bluetooth speaker? The correct answer is A, guitar amplifier. Which vacuum tube function is used for switching? Is it A, diode, B, relay, C, amplifier, or D, oscillator? The correct answer is B, relay. Which early computer component used vacuum tubes? Is it A, logic gates, B, capacitors, C, flip-flops, or D, transistors? The correct answer is A, logic gates. What laboratory instrument often incorporates vacuum tube technology? Is it A, manometer, B, spectrometer, C, oscilloscope, or D, calorimeter? The correct answer is C, oscilloscope. Thanks for watching. Comment with how many questions you got correct. Should we make the next video have easier or harder problems? Was the difficulty just right? Do you have suggestions for future trivia topics? Don't forget to drop a like and sub if you enjoyed the video.